All right, guys. So week number 6, Math 1500. Uh, this, if I don't get windy, should be a 3-minute video or so. I just want to tell you what to expect for the week. Um, I'd say there's probably going to be 3 to 4 videos. Really, it's not about the videos. It's really about, at least in my opinion, it's not about the videos. It's about the total number of minutes. And I know one of the videos I put up was about an hour and 10 minutes, and I'll probably end up splitting it into two because it makes it easier to upload. But anyway, what we're going to be studying this week, we're going to be looking at approximating binomial distributions with normal distributions. And I just go ahead and tell you that the notation is kind of crazy on these types of problems. We get into, things like p hats and x over n's and p's and crazy looking stuff at first. So it's imperative, I think, it's very important that you take the ample time to watch actually all of these videos. I think in many ways this will be the toughest week that you'll have throughout the term. I think the material is probably tougher for week 6 than any of the rest of the term. So um, I'll also get into probably 2 videos for the central limit theorem with means. Now, guys, this is where we get into big boy, big girl stuff right here. Uh, I call it. I'll tell you what. That's kind of fuzzy. Let me see if I can get that a little clearer. I actually think that's a little bit clearer. Central limit theorem gets into big boy, big girl statistics. This is the bridge from what we call descriptive statistics into inferential statistics. So we look at the probabilities of samples and things like that. Now, the videos, there's also another video that I'm going to put up. A lot of you are obsessed with using these z-score tables, and I don't know why. I guess I do, and it's just not you guys. It's even when I teach this class in the classroom in a traditional manner. People get all excited about these z-score tables. Guys, these are harder. These are harder than your calculator. But I'm going to put up about a 20-minute video that shows you how to use your z-score tables. Now, I get it. I get it. Statistics is hard. It's confusing, and you're always looking for that, that golden ticket, I guess, an easier way to do things. Guys, I'm teaching it to you the easiest way that I know exists. If I thought z-score tables were easier, I'd teach them. But I use the calculator because I know it's easier. I know it's faster. I know it's more efficient, and it lends itself to less errors. So, but anyway, if you look at the like, show me an example on the online course management system, it will show you how to use the tables. So, uh, you'll notice I've got a little crappy attitude in this video. My attitude gets better in these other videos, so just bear with me. So, but if you're all about these tables, guys, it's I'm coming at you in that first video. But something I want to show you. I don't know if you guys are going to be interested in this or not. There you go. My wife is a big time shopper. Uh, Gosh, what's she been looking at now? Uh, I'll tell you what. Let me get out of here. You're probably sitting there thinking, "What in the world is Darbro doing?" He's showing us his Facebook page. Well, more than that. Gosh, my wife loves to shop. Apparently, she's looking for UGG boots, Shutterfly, something for Kentucky brand. Wow. All right, guys. If you go to Facebook, I have set up a Facebook page for us. And the Facebook page is called Darbro's Online Stats Class Fall. So if you'll come up here to the search and just type in Darbros, it should come up as a closed group. I want to keep it closed because, if we say anything silly on there, I don't want yeah, it did have to be closed. I don't even know why I'm saying that. But really, I say right here, I want to create this group to kind of create a community feel for our online course. It's going to be a great place to post questions and discuss issues you're having with the class. For example, I had a couple people email me last Saturday morning, and they emailed me early. Well, I get up and I prepare to teach Sunday school on Saturday mornings. As soon as I get off the computer, I start loading our car to go tailgating. We tailgated all day long. Ball game's at 7:30. Game was over at about 11:15. By the time we got out of the parking lot and everything, I didn't get home till 1:30. Next morning, I got up, went to church, spent time with my family. So essentially, there was 2 days there that I didn't answer emails. And for an online course, uh, we need to be able to get to you quicker. Okay, but I also have a life. I always say that my Sundays are my F days, my faith, my family, my friends. But I still do try to stay in touch with you on Saturdays and Sundays. But this past Saturday and past Sunday was extremely busy. Okay, what's it have to do with this? What it has to do with this site is I want you to, if you want, it's not required, come on and join this. So just come up and go join, and I will I will clear you as long as you're enrolled in the course. Don't want any stalkers on stuff, but as long as you're enrolled in the course, I'll clear you to join this. So let's say you want to come up and let's say you're having problems with question number 3, assignment 4.2 or whatever. Post it here, and others can chime in and say, "Hey, this is what I did. I had some luck with this." When I log on, I'll see the communication, the conversations that are going on, and I'll chime in and say, "Well, try this, try that." So anyway, what I do it's mostly to create more of a community, but it's also I noticed that a lot of days I will get 3 or 4 questions from like 3 or 4 different students that are exactly the same. So if I can get on here and create some dialogue, about questions, you come on, you might see that a lot of people have the same kinds of questions as you. So, uh, guys, you don't have to join, but I do think it's going to be very nice, very handy. And of course, at the end of the term, I will delete this group, and anything you said will not be held against you on here. So, guys, don't you love the real nerdy looking? Uh, I searched long and hard for that one. So, guys, anyway, it's an option I think is good for you to have. All right, guys, that's all I got. Take care. Have fun with these videos this week.